Hello and welcome to the virtual drive. So guys, I bought the Nokia 6.1, which they call the Nokia 6 2018. It just got released 3 to 4 days before. So now let me do a quick unboxing and show you what's up inside. So the box is kind of looks better, but not up to the mark. I mean, it looks like one of those ice cream boxes. It has the Nokia at front, and it's officially called Nokia 6.1. It's not the Nokia 6 2018. And the feature is that it comes with Android 1, which will be the purest form of Android. It runs on stock Android. So what are the specifications? It's like it's a single aluminium body and with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 5.5-inch 1080p Full HD display, and then with a 16 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel in the front. You all are aware of this new thing that Nokia has been doing with both the, you have both the picture as well as the both the video with the Nokia 6.1, and that is what they call the dual sight mode, simultaneous front and rear camera capture, and you can also do live streaming. The best part about is the camera. It's made up of Zeiss optics. I don't know what it does. I've been using a lot of Nokia phones and there's not been much of a difference. I've been quite of a Nokia fan. I've been using Nokia phones ever since inception. So now let's proceed with the unboxing. Oh, there it is. Well, you have a charger. Where's the USB? Yeah, the USB is on the side. Thank goodness they did not make it here. And then you have a pretty okay headphone jack. It doesn't look so premium, just like the ones that you get with your basic Nokia phones. So the phone does have a headphone jack. First impressions, the phone looks absolutely awesome. From the behind, it's a single piece aluminum body. It has got the copper linings over the camera. This is the black version, and here you have the fingerprint sensor. So what else is in the box? And then you have the cable. So that's about it, and a few manuals. You also have the SIM ejector tool here. You have the SIM ejector tool. So about the phone, you have a C-type USB port behind, and the speakers are at the bottom. It does not get stereo speakers, just mono ones, and a mic below. And you can also see the antenna bands. Single camera, Carl Zeiss. You have the Zeiss marking here, and it says Android 1. Okay, logo. So let me turn it on while I tell you something about Nokia's evolution in designing. Earlier, Nokia was designing all these Lumia phones, and you can see that the design is not pretty good. It just looks like basic phones. Even the flagship 1520 just had an ordinary look in the rear. So Nokia is returning back to its old. The first Lumia phone had a flagship, which is the Nokia 800. You can see that the design clues are similar to the ones that they have used in the past. This is a very good decision. The phone looks premium and it has its own identity. So I've already booted up the phone before, so this is how it looks now. So that's what I've been telling you. The design clues now are very good and they look premium than the past Nokia phones. I hope this will be a better boost for Nokia to capture the market. I'll be using this phone for the next 2 days, and then I'll put up a comprehensive review. You guys can check it out in my channel. Subscribe to Virtual Drive to stay in touch, and look for more videos that will be coming up in the next 2 days. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.